biking to Dairy Queen right now?
Why are we biking to Dairy Queen?
It's not a commercial, that's why.
It was a very effective commercial. And what are we gonna get there?
Morning blizzard.
Heck yeah. Press the button.
No.
Press the button, Colin. Press the button.
Small for you and small.
What the heck? You did it. What the heck was that? You're like Mari. Alright, take two. Yeah. Alright.
Come on. S apostrophe M-R. I'll say the first. How about Kevin and Colin just to say the second? No, I got it. I can do it.
Okay.
Apostrophe M-O-R-E. Small for you.
And small for me.
M-O-R-E.
What the heck was that, Simon?
Apostrophe M-O-R-E. Small for you.
And small for me. What the heck, Simon? You were supposed to say. You never said S! You never said S apostrophe!
You said you were going to say it the second time, you idiot. You just said it. No, I said I was going to do the M-R-E.
You said that, Simon.
No, Colin said you keep interrupting me. I was supposed to say the S. No, because last time he said.
Yeah, he said it. He said it. All right.
Why do you have to say it? Say it.
M-O-R-E.
Apostrophe M-O-R-E. Small for you.
And small for me.
S apostrophe M-O-R-E.
What the heck, Henry?
S apostrophe M-O-R-E. Small for you.
And small for me.
S apostrophe M-O-R-E. Grab the raspberry.
Indefinitely.
Yeah. Woo, thank you. Yeah, I'll start a beat. Give me 2 seconds to beat, ready? Here we go. S apostrophe M-O-R-E. Small for you.
And small for me.
S apostrophe M-O-R-E. Grab the bread spoon.
Indefinitely.
Yeah. S apostrophe M-O-R-E. Small for you.
And small for me.
S apostrophe M-O-R-E.
Grab the spoon indefinitely.
Yeah.
S apostrophe.
M-O-R-E.
Small for you.
Small for me.
S apostrophe.